What's up guys? Thanks for watching Slice of Life. In this video, we'll introduce a recipe with step-by-step instructions and spice it up by costing out to see if it's worth it to try it at home. We had so much fun creating this clip and hope you can enjoy it as well. The recipe of the day is Hempseed whole wheat bread. Thought it would be nice to share a healthy recipe for bread lovers out there. These are the ingredients needed for today's recipe. At the end of the video, we'll do an honest review of the recipe in 3 parts: taste, difficult, and cost. Shall we begin then? Let's get it! It's time for the review in 3 parts as I promised before. First of all, the taste was really satisfying. It was better than the ones that I get from the grocery stores. As for difficulty, I would say it's pretty simple. Anyone could do this as long as you have the right ingredients and enough time. Finally, for the cost, it summed up to $2.84 for one loaf of Hempseed whole wheat bread. I would say it's a good price for healthy and tasty bread without any chemicals or preservatives. It was $5.68 for 2 loaves of bread, and honestly, it's totally worth it to bake it for someone you love. Next, I will come back with cheese pork cuts that's been booming in South Korea recently. I try to keep it simple so anyone can cook this at home. Hope you guys try this recipe at home too. Make it for your loved ones. And if you do, please share how it turned out at the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!